Hey there guys, how are you all doing? So this is your V-Bro from Tech Week team, and so today in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing of this Honor Watch ES, which I got like a few days back. And in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing only. The review is coming on pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So talking about the features that this watch comes is that it comes with a big 1.64-inch AMOLED screen with 94 workout modes, animated fitness course, full health monitoring, really long battery life, and 5 ATM water resistance. The main attractive point about this watch is that about this price. So the price of the Watch ES is pretty promising. I paid around like 6,599 Indian rupees. Don't worry, the US price will be splashing up in the screen. And once opening up the box there, you can see the watch. It is sitting out there pretty much elegantly, which just feels pretty good. Let me just take it out. It just feels really lightweight. And let's keep the watch aside for now, and let's take a look at the things that we get inside the package. On the right hand side, we can see that there is, here's the barcodes, and inside we have the instruction manual information, which is pretty much thick. There are like in different languages, so you can just go ahead and take a look at it. And also there's another one, which is the warranty card. So yeah, that's pretty great. And talking about other things inside the box, there is nothing. Basically that's pretty much it. And on the other side, let's open it up, and we can see that we have the charging cable, which is pretty much magnetic, of course. So this watch charges up with this magnetic pins. All right, that's pretty great. And on the other side, we have the normal USB-A, which you can just put it on your normal charger or in your computer, and it just supports quick charge as well. And talking about other things, we get nothing inside the package, not even here. So now let's take a look at the watch itself, which is pretty great. You know, it comes with a foam kind of piece, which just feels pretty great. And also the watch is pretty lightweight. You know, it just feels really comfortable in my hand. And also it's not made up of anything like metal or stuff like that. It is made up of plastic, but the quality of the plastic is pretty nice. And on the back, you can see those 2 points, the magnetic points for charging, as well as the sensor, which also supports SpO2 as well. And here you can see the 2 pins for removing the straps. This is a silicone strap. It's kind of a matte black finish, which just feels pretty great. And yeah, you can just use it to remove it and just try to use some leather straps. Now let me put on in my arm, because my arm is pretty much thin. You know, you'll get an idea how it would fit in my arm. So right now, as you can see, I have in my arm is pretty much thin, but still it just fits pretty much perfectly in my hand. And even I have got snug fit. It just looks pretty well. And also you can see there are 3 holes available. So yeah, even though if you have a thin wrist, it's still gonna just fit pretty much perfectly in your arms, and just you can wear it like for hours and hours. And that's pretty much it, guys. This was it. If you are interested in buying this watch, you will get all the links in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And talking about the review, just stay tuned in my channel. I will be posting up the full review pretty soon. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day. God bless you all, and take care. And yeah, stay safe. Bye.